Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to add clickable links directly inside your Smartsheet, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create hyperlinks in Smartsheet, making your sheets more organized and interactive, and saving your team a ton of time hunting down important info. Let's jump right in together. Alright, so first things first, let's make sure you're logged in and ready to go on Smartsheet. Head over to Smartsheet.com and open up the sheet where you want to add your hyperlink. Whether it's a project tracker, a contact list, or any other kind of sheet, this process works exactly the same way. Now, take a look at your sheet and find the specific name or cell where you'd like to add your link. Maybe you're tracking vendors and you want to link a company's name to their homepage, or you might want to link a client's name to their official website. Once you've found the right spot, go ahead and click to select that name. The cell should now be highlighted so you know it's active. Here's a quick tip: if you ever make a mistake, don't worry. You can always remove or change the hyperlink later, so it's safe to experiment. Next up, you'll want to right-click on that selected cell. A menu will appear with a variety of options. Sometimes, especially if you're using a trackpad or a Mac, right-clicking might mean tapping with 2 fingers or holding the Control key while clicking, just in case. In the menu that pops up, look for and click on Hyperlink. This is where the magic happens. Think of this step as giving your sheet a shortcut button, a direct jump to another website or file, making collaboration so much smoother. A small window will appear asking you to type in the website's URL. This is just a fancy tech term for the website's address. For example, if you want to link to Sakura's website, you'd type in www.sakura.com. Make sure you type it correctly, because any spelling mistakes might lead your teammates to a dead end instead of the helpful resource you intended. Here's a gentle heads up: double-check that you've included the full website address. Some people like to copy and paste it directly from their browser to play it safe. And if your URL starts with https:// don't worry, Smartsheet will recognize it. It's just a way of making sure your connection is secure. Once you've typed in the site's address, all you have to do now is click OK. If you're like me, sometimes you might instinctively hit enter on your keyboard. Either way works just fine. And that's really it. You'll see the name you selected now underlined and turned blue, just like any link you'd see on the internet. When you click it, Smartsheet will instantly take you to that website, making your sheet a hub of handy resources. To sum up, you've just learned how to hyperlink in Smartsheet. It's as easy as right-clicking and pasting in a web address. This super simple skill can keep your sheets tidy and make your whole workflow more efficient. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want tips on other Smartsheet tricks. And of course, hit subscribe so you won't miss out on our next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.